belonging. Slytherin!
I knew I was a Slytherin! Happy New Year! You guys aren't excited.
Hi.
Happy New Year! We're ending the year off right. Super Smash Bros. We literally played monkey ball until like 4 in the morning last night. Let's go play volleyball! This is a little deflated.
I know, but it'll work.
Okay, I just hopped out of the shower, like the hottest shower ever, which is why I look like this. But we're just packing up. We're gonna actually head to the Malibu beach house. We were just renting this beach house for a few days because we've never stayed in Venice before. But it's so beautiful, so I thought I needed to show you guys a little mini house tour. It is a bit of a mess because we've just, you know, lived in it for a few days. But I thought you guys would forgive me. Okay, so here is the little side door here. So when you enter, there's the hallway to the bedrooms over there. So if you walk this way, there's just a bathroom there, and then this main living space, which is just absolutely stunning. And then that's like a little porch that you can go out to the beach and go out in the ocean. There's my lovely brother. So this part's actually really cool because it looks like a giant mirror, but when you're in the bedroom, you actually see out and you see the ocean. Okay, so there's laundry room, closets, another bathroom in here. This is the master. There's this beautiful giant bed. So then this is the mirror that I was talking about, but it's actually a window from this side, so you get so much light in here, which is lovely. I'll take you guys into the extra bedrooms. This is the little alcove. So there's like a bunk bed up there and then like a queen bed down here with a TV. So yeah, that is basically the entire house. Malibu, here we come. Oh my God. Look at how high this tide is, guys. It's literally like hitting the house. Oh, oh. Okay guys, let's hike up to the top. We're getting closer. Only a little bit more to go. It's actually the most beautiful day out. We're getting a nice tan, I can feel it. I think I've had pancakes for like the past week straight. What's your name? Frederick? Hi Frederick, how's it going, buddy?
Kinda cute.
Hey buddy. Okay, so we have a couple of issues right off the bat today. One, we don't have, oh my God, what is that? One, we don't have any wetsuits. I don't know if that's gonna be bad. I don't know. Two, majority of us haven't ever surfed before. I've only ever surfed once and it was like baby waves. It was barely even surfing. So this could be a disaster. And on top of that, the water is like ice cold, but we gotta do it, right? We have some surfboards. We gotta, you know, go surfing in Malibu. Fits these perfectly. This could be such a hazard though. This is probably not a safe practice. We're good. We going surfing. Please stop walking like that. The good thing is if I slip, I've got them as a cushion. Surfing was so much fun. We had like, the boards that we had were way too advanced for our skill level. They were really short and really lightweight. I got up maybe like twice, if that. Frederick? Frederick, is that you? We are at, I don't know what beach this is. Matador? Is that how you say it? I actually don't know how to say this.
I don't know, I've never been here before. I was just, you know, told to come here.
Keep steady. Steady hand. There you go. This might be the cutest photo that I've ever taken. Oh my God. I hope you guys can hear me okay because there's a ton of waves right now. But I wanted to show you guys some of my bikinis from this trip. I actually have been like mixing and matching them a bunch, so I've been getting to like wear a new bikini every day. This one is actually really cute. I've been wanting a high-waisted, a one-piece like high neck bikini like this one for a while, and this red color is just absolutely gorgeous. This one is from Vivienne Rose, and then this one here is from Bikini Village. This one's actually really cool because it has like a really supportive back, and I really like the bottoms on these ones here because they have a little like scrunched butt. They're a little cheeky, these bottoms though. They're also reversible. I prefer the stripe. Whoa! I prefer the stripe side though. And this one here, this one's a bit more supportive. There's like underwire in this one. This one is also from Vivienne Rose, and this one as well. Okay, I'm gonna go put this one on and get tannin. We're gonna go paddle boarding. Wish me luck. I'm pouty because it's my last day and I don't want to go home. I always get like this at the end of trips. I just hate going home and it just makes me sad. How can I say that though? I just had the most incredible couple of weeks. Bye hanging bed, bye hot tub, bye beautiful ocean. I actually filmed an entire house tour back a few years ago actually, but I'll link it up above in case you guys want to check it out, what the inside of this entire beach house looks like. We are heading to the Warner Brothers studios. We're gonna do a studio tour. I really just wanna go sit on the friend's chair or the friend's couch again because that's my real reason for life. Ooh, look at, there's another set back there. We took the very front. Yeah, we took the very front of the cart.
Why isn't this working?
Honk honk.
Downstage is here at Warner Brothers.
Yes, no question here. You belong in Slytherin!
I knew I was a Slytherin! You're gonna be a Slytherin too. You find out you're a Slytherin.
True and sharp. Slytherin!
Yes!
Everyone was right.
We're going on the Ellen set. I've always wanted to do this. Look at all these lights for the Ellen show. Crazy. It's a Pretty Little Liars golf cart.
Okay, you guys.
Which one of us should go to dinner?
Oh, Rachel.
Actually, I was thinking maybe both of us could go.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I was thinking maybe both of us could go.
Oh, okay.
Thanks, I'll put a lot of extra thought into your gift. Okay, and that was our last activity here on this trip. It's getting real. It's setting in that I have to go back home to negative 35-degree weather in Toronto. One thing though I have to say that I love about California is that I can wear my shoes and they just always look brand new. Because back home they get dirty so easily because there's like rain, snow, weather. Whereas these sneakers, they look completely brand new still. So our flight is canceled. We can't get a flight home until 3 days from now. Which, I mean, it's not a bad place to be stuck in sunny California, but when you don't have a car anymore or anything, then it makes things a little difficult. So we ended up sending home Megan, Michael, and Harrison because they all have school and exams and things they have to actually be back for. So me and Rach are stuck here. This has just been a disaster of a night. We're exhausted. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I don't know if you'll see much more of me from this vlog because I think I'm kind of done with this. I need a little break for a little bit. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed watching and tune in next week. What do you want to be? What's your favorite meme of all time?
Peanut butter baby.